The LG G8 in and of itself is an excellent phone. Priced around $820 to $850 depending on your carrier, it has a slim, sleek design, it's water resistant, and it still has a headphone jack, which is perfect for diehards unwilling to let go of their wired headphones. But it faces stiff competition to Samsung's new, more affordable phone, the Galaxy S10e. It too has many of the same benefits of the G8 and costs about $70 to $100 less. But let's go back for the G8 for a minute. First, its dual rear cameras take sharp and vibrant photos, and the wide-angle lens allows you to fit more content into each frame. The phone also has a low-light setting called Night View. Though Night View takes comparable photos as the Galaxy S10e, which doesn't have its own specific low-light mode, the Pixel 3's night sight is superior. LG also added bokeh for videos too, so you can have that cool blurry effect for your videos like you do on your portrait mode photos. The effect is a little rough around the edges, if you can tell, but if you like having that blurry dramatic look for your photos, you'll appreciate having the option in videos too. The G8's front-facing camera has a few new tricks too, thanks to its new IR sensor and transmitter. The phone now uses 3D facial recognition instead of 2D, similar to the new iPhones. This is supposed to make it more secure, and you can use it in lower light conditions. Building off that, the motion sensor allows a few touchless gesture controls that you can control with your hand. For instance, you can launch apps, pause or play media, or even adjust the volume by grabbing an invisible dial above your phone. The feature is awkward, and I doubt you'll look normal in using it in public. But if LG continues to iterate on this technology, I can see how it gives a compelling sneak peek into new ways we can interact with our phones. Other features include a sharp 6.1-inch OLED display, the Snapdragon 855 chipset, and a 3.5 ampere-hour battery. During our lab tests, the G8 performed as well as the Galaxy S10e on benchmarks. That makes sense since both phones have the same processor. As for the battery, the G8 averaged about 16.5 hours for continuous video playback on airplane mode. As a comparison, the S10e lasted 17 hours. In a vacuum, the G8 is objectively great, but the phone industry is hyper-competitive and crowded. With the launch of the Galaxy S10e, the G8 now must compete with yet another Galaxy phone at a lower price tier. The G8's camera also can't compete with the ease of the Pixel 3, and its price doesn't come close to the value you get with the OnePlus 6T. So, without any standout features, just being objectively great like the G8, unfortunately, isn't good enough. So there you have it, CNET's LG G8 ThinQ review. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to get it, if you plan on getting it, if you like it, if you use the air gestures, and if you do you get weird looks when you use it too? So yeah, subscribe and tweet me too. It's Lin La. Okay, bye!